These are some previously asked questions from mains which we can solve using our super smart objective approach, that in the sense using this smart triangle trick. Okay, so I think we are all see these smart triangle values I mentioned here. Okay, angle 60, sides 1, height root 3 by 2, side 3 by 2, delta root 3 by 4, capital R 1 by root 3, small r 1 by root 3, as well as the x radii each equals to root 3 by 2. Right. So to solve these problems, I will start my discussion with the last one. So because to save the space, right? So A, B, C are 1, 1, 1. I need to use that A as 1, B as 1, C as 1. Just I am applying the values of smart triangle to the given problem. Okay. And small a, small b, small angles are 60 degrees, sides are 1, right? So first of all, solve the last problem. A is 1 by tan 60 degrees. What is tan 60 degrees? Is root 3. So numerator is 1, denominator is root 3, 1 by root 3. So at the end for this problem, 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, if you add, it will become just 3 by root 3. Okay, I am erasing for the space. Okay, it will become like 3 by root 3. And 3 by root 3 is simply nothing but root 3. Okay, so now from the options we need to choose one which gives us root 3. So first option is 2r. 2r is what? 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by 2 root 3 actually. 2r is 1 by root 3, but that is not our option. So this is not your choice. The next thing is r plus 2r. Just think about it. R is 1 by 2 root 3. 2r is 2 by root 3. You need to add these two things, okay? So you need to simplify everything and think about 2r plus r. 2r is 1 by root 3. Capital R is 1 by root 3. When you add, this is 2 by root 3. This is also not your option. This is also not your option. We need to think from these two ideas. So small r plus capital R. Small r is 1 by 2 root 3. Capital R I have 1 by root 3. So when you multiply with 2, it becomes like 2 by 2 root 3. No problem, right? 1 by root 3 is just 2 by 2 root 3. Since I need to add small r and capital R, you just add this small r and capital R, which is 3 by 2 root 3. Since it is 3 by 2 root 3, when you multiply with 2, it will become 3 by root 3 and that is root 3. So this is your choice. If you check this, it also fails. Okay. Just use the values. First of all, simplify the given expression, it is root 3. Then you need to find the values of each and every option, which gives you the same root 3, that is your choice. There ends the problem. Okay. And for this problem, your answer is 2 times of r plus r. And we solved it using smart triangle trick. And this problem is previously asked in mains 2016. Okay, I am erasing this for the space and then I am going to discuss the second problem. Just have a look. Right, now what to say about this particular problem? Yeah, see, in any triangle it happens. Okay, the product of these two is lambda times of BC. We need to think about that lambda. So just apply the values of smart triangle. A plus B plus C, our values are 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 3 into B plus C minus A, our values are 1 plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and you left with 1. 3 into 1 is equals to lambda times of B is 1 and C is 1, so simply lambda is equals to 3. So 3 is one possible value of lambda. Among the options, wherever 3 is included, that is your choice. There is the problem, right? Lambda greater than 4. So 3 is not included in this region. 0 less than lambda less than 4. 3 is included in this region. So this is your choice. If you check lambda greater than 6, 3 is not included. Lambda less than minus 6, 3 is not included. So for sure this is your choice. There is the problem. Simply use the values of the smart triangle. You will get the lambda value as 3. And from the options, choose one option where the 3 is included. This is only such option. So 0 less than lambda less than 4 is your choice. There is the problem. And this is previously asked in mains 2015. Okay. And I have another question which is asked in mains 2014. I am erasing this for the space and I am going to discuss that particular problem. Just have a look. Yeah. Again you need to solve this just by applying the values of smart triangle. A plus B plus C. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. B plus C minus A, because all the values are equal and equal to 1, and that's why C minus A is 0, this is 1. The next value is also 1, the next value is also 1. Divided by 4 into B square is 1 square, C square is also 1 square. So your simplification part is 3 by 4. Okay. So this is the question part. Then you need to think about the options. Okay, yeah, all the angles are 60. What is cos square 60? So we know that cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, cos square 60 is 1 by 4. So this is not our option. This is also 1 by 4, whereas this is 3 by 4 and this is 3 by 4, because sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So these two are not our options. Okay, we need to think among these two, whether it is sin square A or sin square B. That's what we need to think. See, once look there, this is 4b square c square, right? So already I mentioned you, all these properties of triangle concepts follow a symmetrical pattern. Since it is 4b square c square, if your answer is sin square b, then there is a chance to be sin square c also. But it is not the correct thing, because sin square b and sin square c are not equal, right? And that's why for sure the option is sin square a. Here b and c are involved. If you say it as sin square b, then there is a chance for sin square c also. It won't happen, okay? In any general triangle, b and c may not equal also. And that's why sin square b and sin square c are not your options. For sure your option is sin square a. That is your answer. Okay? So first thing, apply the ideas of smart triangle. Second thing, use your logic. See, think about the symmetry of the formula. That's it. Just have a look. So one more problem, right? It is asked in advanced 2013. Again apply the concepts of smart triangle. See, R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. So what is R1 R2 R3? R1 R2 R3 are root 3 by 2. So R1 R2 means root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is 3 by 4, right? So first value is 3 by 4. Second value is 3 by 4. Third value is 3 by 4. When you add, it is 9 by 4. So your question value is 9 by 4. From the options, choose one which gives you 9 by 4. Okay. Delta square. Delta is root 3 by 4. Delta square is 3 by 16. So this is not your option. Now 2 delta by r, delta square by r square. See, very basic idea. We know that delta by r is s, right? So this is just nothing but 2s. This is s and this is s square. So we know the value of s as 3 by 2. Among these, s square is 3 by 2 square, 9 by 4, and this is your answer. There is the problem. So this is the benefit of using the idea of smart triangle. Just have a look.